Basically, the only information I've seen about this is in the service manual. So I'm going to show you how to pull your instrument cluster bezel off and replace your instrument cluster on a Seadoo similar to this. So as long as you got a T15 Torx, this is no problem. Up under here on either side of the mirror, there are two T15 Torx screws. So there's two over here and two over there. Just pull them guys out. Now, the service manual says to use a sharp blow backwards to jar all this loose. I'm a little nervous to just start beating on mirrors because I don't want to break that glass. So let's just see if this will shove at all, because it's got plastic clips in there. And yeah, that doesn't need a sharp blow. It just needs a little persuasion. And there we have our gauge bezel off. Now, as far as replacing the actual instrument cluster, there are two locking tabs on the top on either side here. I'll put some pictures of this stuff up. Essentially, you push down on those locking tabs and then pull instrument cluster toward you. You can pull it out. The connector on the back. Let me see. Let me get you in a little bit closer here. Okay, so this connector on the back here, kind of grab this tab, pull it out, pops off. We can grab our new instrument cluster. Essentially, put that on, and then squeeze our tab there back, and it'll lock it back in place. Set our instrument cluster in with the bottom in where it needs to go. That's locked in. Now let's put our bezel back on. Need to watch out for all these tabs and get them all into the right places. So everything lines up just how it should. Everything just clips back together. And we can put our 4 T15s back in. Now, after you've replaced your instrument cluster, you are going to need to get that programmed or married to your ECU. You can opt to have this done at a Seadoo dealership or by an independent mechanic that has either the Bud software or a Can-Do Pro system. Alternatively, you could purchase one of these. However, if you're not needing it often, it is a bit pricey to get these setups. But I'm going to put a link in the description so that you can pick one up should you need to do diagnostics or anything on your Seadoo. That's pretty much all there is to say on this. Thanks for watching.